Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and we are back once again with Harvest VR. Last episode, we went to the mines, fell. I don't know what that was, I just got stuck. And we also planted all this. All these nice and not grown plants. What's good today? Banana, okay. Let's go ahead and water these real quick. Oh, they're already watered. Okay, that's good. So what I'm thinking, today we should try fishing. We should try go fishing. That'd be fun. We're at 190 gold in the balance right now. We are broke. We're in poverty. But that's gonna end once our plants are grown and ready to make money. So let's just be a little Davy boy and farm alone. Because that's all we got. It's you, your thoughts, and these goddamn plants. Is that all of them? Okay, while we're doing all that, let's actually go to the part to fish, which is the beach. Oh, this is actually pretty. Who is that? Who in the world is that? Okay, whatever. There's a little shop here. Oh. Oh, well, hello there, Dave. Oh my, 750 for a fishing rod. You are insane. Alright, well, how do we get easy money for this? Oh, we can do these. A lovely shell washed ashore. I wonder if you can sell. What's up here? Can you go up here? Oh, you can. This is kind of cool. Oh, wow. Can't walk off the edge, though. I don't know why you'd want to. Or why I don't want to. But, can you walk off this ledge? Yeah. No fall damage. I just took it like a champ. Okay, let's go back, sell all the stuff I have, and then hopefully have enough to buy a... because I want to try this fishing out. Can I even sell half of this stuff? How much are the coconuts? Oh my. 5? Jesus, man. That beach is more in poverty than I am. Yeah, I'm nowhere near. I would go try and mine again, but we already know what happens when I do that. So let's just grow forever. I wish there's more to this game than just plant, water, sleep, water, sleep, water, sleep, water, sleep, then collect. We need a sickle for that. Well, the potatoes are done. So are the pineapples. Perfect. Go ahead and collect these bad boys. Look at that. 8 of them. Floor. Okay, that's good enough. How much are these pineapples? Holy! Okay, those pineapples are really good. Wait, sickle. Come on, there we go. Where'd the other one go? I saw it launch somewhere. Where'd it go? There's no way it just disappears, right? That's gonna cost me money. Is that another hat? How did I not see this before? Straw hat. I look like Raiden from Mortal Kombat, if you know, you know. Alright. 5 what? Yeah, I can't say that. 450. Yeah, we have way more than enough to buy a fishing rod. Oh, wait, watermelon too? How much is the watermelon? Oh my! The 2 of them? That's insane. Yeah, I'm rich now. Just from pineapples, those, and watermelon. That's awesome. Let's go buy more real quick. Let's go buy more. Pineapples, watermelons. What we need to get rid of all that other stuff, so like an axe and a hammer. Okay, see your wares. Okay, we need a stone axe. Ooh, that's kind of expensive. Can I have that? Thank you. Stone hammer. Okay, we're low-key broke again. Just from buying 2 things. Okay. A big backpack, what? A sprinkler? Buy a greenhouse first? There's so much to this game. Come back. Let's get the watermelons. I think that's... Wait, or do we get bananas? No. 200 each. Actually, we can get 1 watermelon. That gives us something. And then the next one was tulip. Alright, let's get as much as we can with those. Okay. This is perfect. Okay, let's get the axe out. Wood? Wait, can you sell the wood? That's not it. Oh, you can, but that's like not good at all. Okay, we need a hammer. Useful, not a hammer. I ain't complaining. Alright, now we have our whole plot. Oh, I don't have enough room. Let's just set those aside. Okay, perfect. We have all this now. We can use all that. Yeah, 4 days, and the next one is tulips, so it's a good thing we bought those. Okay, let's set these tools aside, the ones we don't need right now. Okay, do I have to like put them in there manually? Oh god. Okay, let's put the tomatoes in here. We're not gonna use those. We'll need the sickle. We don't need that right now. Or that. Okay. Let's do this. Let's get our... Let's just plant the corn here. Get our tulips. And our... Wait, those aren't tulips. Those are the tulips. And our 1 watermelon are here. And then we can go ahead and plant them or water them all. Actually, can we get another water thingy? Water thingy. Watering can. And we need like a couple of these because going at it one at a time is... No, don't do that. That's it. I can only get 1. I did not mean to spawn another sickle. You already spawned this. Oh, okay. We can only get 2. There we go. Everything is nice and ready. What if I just put these in my backpack? Okay. Wait, what is this? Oh, recipes. Wait, we can make a gold axe? Gold bar? Dude, there's... What? That's insane. We need to do that. We need to buy like a bunch of stuff for our house though. It's worth it because we get a lot of money. What's that? Okay, wait, can you throw your backpack? No. Oh, we got another one. Okay. Well, there's our corn. Look at that. Okay, let's grab the corn. So much. Alright, let's see if we got our money back. Kind of? Not really. Not at all. There's like a basket right here. Can I like scoop up the... Oh, that'd be cool if you could. I have to like kneel down. That's so worthless. Might as well just put it in my backpack. Holy. That's brutal. Alright, 24 potatoes. Oh my. 24 potatoes. That was like 10 each. Oh no. Well, potatoes need to go. Now that we know that. 3 more days and we can sell our tulips for a lot of money. Oh my. Okay, that just went on the ground. Okay, refill this. Refill this one. And we'll take this one, why not? Are all these... Yeah, they're all okay. Now we sleep again. Where did my hat go? I just noticed. Is that what flew across the map when I walked outside? Aw. Get a bunch of money early. I won't have to worry about it later. On a real note. Oh, the potatoes again. Corn and potatoes are terrible. So let's just get rid of them as quick as possible. Come here. Okay, is it not wanting to go in my backpack? There we go. My back is gonna be sore later. But whatever. Finally. No more tomatoes. Or potatoes. That was even worse than the last one. God, that is so bad. Okay, let's... Fuck off, alright. This is easy. This is the easy part. Just watering them. How many watering cans can I get? There's like a bunch. Okay, let's sleep one more time. We should have... We need to probably get a greenhouse and the sprinklers. That looks like what I had before. Okay, one day until the tulips. Let's go and get a fishing pole. Fishing pole sounds nice. Count. So we're just gonna blow our bank account on a fishing rod. Give me that. What's going on? What's going on? Okay, I'll just carry it. Don't worry. I'll just carry it. Let's do yellow lure. Don't worry about me. This out. And it's gone. That's okay. I just gotta come over here. And not get it. Okay, here it is. Alright, there we go. Look at that. Why is it so long? Alright, whatever. Okay, set it down. Grab a little lure. And then set it on there and then cast it out. How do you... Oh, no! Okay, there we go. Wait. Okay, how do you cast it? You just press a button? Go! Or do I set it in the water? You're telling me. What is how do you fish efficiently? Now. A damn can, really? Alright. Try again. Nothing. Okay. This is a little confusing. Now. A damn bottle. Alright. I think if I see that little... That. Oh yeah. What is this? Spike fish. Alright. We're getting somewhere with this. Right there. Another spike fish. Wait, where is it? There we go. Wait, this is a spike. Try to cook it for more value? Oh. Moonfish. You got my interest when you said cook it for value. Just like this. Fish more valuable. There we go. Fried spike fish. Oh, I'll get extra money if it's cooked. Interesting. We'll get a lot of money for it. The game claims. Let's sketch more. Why not? There we go. Now what in the world is this? Salmon. Okay. Let's go again. There we go. What is this? An eel? Yo. Looks like this. Okay. Right now. Now. Oh. Another spike fish. Right now. And another salmon. There's got to be a spot that gives us, like, what we want, right? It's a bottle. Give me moonfish. Another bottle. There we go. If I get another bottle, I swear. An eel. I saw a fish swimming over there. Let's go see what that is all about. Wait, I can like walk in the water? Oh, bet. How far can I go? Not far, but let's just walk out here. An eel. Where'd it go? That's up here. Okay, one more time. And then we'll cook all the fish and then sell them. Catch it. Oh, what's that? A moonfish! Okay, that's an eel. Another salmon. Another eel. Alright, that's fine. Oh my, I just hit a fan. Okay, let's go. Oh no, I have no space. You know what, we're gonna drop that. 10 at once, because I can't even get 10 if I wanted to. What is this? It's just a bunch of... It's just a bunch of stuff. It's just a bunch of fish and bottles on the ground. Oh no, my fish are gonna burn. Don't... Huh? Don't... What does that say? Don't use item stacks while cooking. Okay, I don't know why that was so hard to read. How do you don't... Grab single by holding down the trigger, then grabbing. Oh, okay. Might be dumb. Let's cook all this food. Can I eat it? No, don't eat it. That was a dumb question. Can I eat the cooked fish? Okay. We have all of our fish cooked. Now we can go back and see how much they're worth. God, that took forever. Nighttime. In the game. Collection bin. We'll do the moonfish last. Salmon? Good. Oh wait, that wasn't salmon. This is the salmon. That was the... Okay, good. 7 eels. Good. 1 singular moonfish. Wow. That is disappointing. For something that's 2x on the board at the beach, that is depressing. That is insanely depressing. Anyway. Let's go ahead and... water the rest of our things here. Alright, the corn is the last. That's the last of the corn, so we'll just get it tomorrow. Oh wait, I forgot about the stingray. And 1 stingray. Okay. How much was that? Was that? I don't know. I think it was either 120 or 1200. I couldn't tell. Because of the door. Anyway. Now that I'm well rested, let's check out our little garden. And everything looks good except that. Why didn't that grow? Oh, and look at that. The tomatoes. Next item are tomatoes. Yeah, we're not buying tomatoes. Okay, let's go get our tulips. And let's get our tulips. I said that already. I might as well say it again just to be sure. Let's get our tulips. Let's see how much these are worth. Just gotta be really good or really bad. These be good. Where'd they go? Okay, that's actually pretty good. Actually really good. We gotta grab these too. I might just get rid of the corn, realistically, because the corn was not good last time, or yesterday, in the game. Corn was low-key a disappointment. So we're just gonna get the shovel and we're gonna get rid of that. I'm repenting from that disappointment. Oh, we got another watermelon. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. 3,900 in the balance. Might be worth buying more tulips. Who knows? Okay, do we try a mining trip? I don't know. We're mostly focusing on fishing today. Nah, we're gonna focus on fishing. We're gonna do some quick fishing, see what kind of money we make from that. Lures. I had to make sure I have my fishing pole with me. Okay, well, let's get like 3 red lures and 3 yellow ones, and see what we can get with that. And instead of going on a little dock over here, a little pier, let's go like way far that way. really ensure that we get something different. Change our whole spot. I wonder if we can fish in that spot right there. I mean, if we can fish underground, we can fish anywhere. So let's try real quick without a lure. See what we get. Okay, already off to a good start. Let's try again. We'll do 3, and if we get any junk in this, we won't do a lure. Yep, that's what I thought. Oh my. Another bottle. There we go. Another. Okay, what is going on? Get out of here. Oh, there we go. Oh my gosh. This is terrible. Okay, it's on the ground again. There we go. A salmon. Okay, let's put a lure on this thing. Let's do the red one. Wait, I need like one, not multiple. Okay. Let's try this out. Oh. What is that? A beach ball? Oh, pufferfish. Okay. That's interesting. Now let's try a yellow one. Let's hope for good. Where did it? Oh my god! Okay, please tell me your lure's still on this. Okay, somehow it is. Okay. Let's not blast off again, shall we? Alright, get in that water. Make me money. There we go. What is that? Oh, another stingray. Oh, great. That's what I needed. Okay, another lure. We're doing some left-hand fishing now. Come on. There we go. What is it? Another stingray. Okay. We need the other one. Where'd it go? Oh, there it is. I was just lost my fishing pole in the ocean. Okay. Get us some sardines. There we go. What is that? That looks like a sardine. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Need another red one. There we go. And it's a pufferfish. Okay, I'm not gonna waste my time cooking all this again, so I'm just gonna go back and sell it without cooking it. And it won't hurt my bank account. Oh, and there's just more fish here again. What is going on? Another sardine. What is going on? I'm just getting free fish. Okay. I mean, I'm not complaining. It's actually just free money. 35. 100. 45. 320. Okay, next time I'm gonna. Okay. Next time I'll cook them because I think that was wasted potential on that. There we go. Okay, we're gonna hang up the fishing for now because that is like one of the slowest processes ever. 4,000 in the balance. Let's go buy more seeds. We need like what? Not tomatoes. We need like tulips, watermelon, the H word that I... Hello, sir. Were you always into plant? I'm not gonna start small talk. I don't have time. Business is on the line. Okay, we need these. Let's get like 5 of them. Perfect. Ooh, the pineapples are really good too. Let's get like 6. tulips. We need those. Seven of those. Watermelon. Okay, we're at 900. What is Sagaro? Let's just grab these. You know what? These are the most random thing ever. Let's just spend the rest of our money on those. Hopefully I made the right decision. So we go from 4,800 to 85. We're not very smart with our money at the moment, but that's okay. Investing. The more money we spend on seeds, the more money we make on the seeds. I don't think I'm finding the right wording, but you know what I mean. All right, you know what I'm talking about. You know what I'm trying to get at. I have to do the hoe. I forgot. I'm just gonna be so unorganized here. Okay, let's get the hoe. There we go. Might need more planting spots, I'm gonna lie. We do indeed need more spots. Alright, look at this. This is the most efficient way. Okay, by most efficient I meant most annoying. But it gets the job done. There we go. We got 4 of these. A cactus. They're a type of cactus. We'll go with that. We need 4 spots. Okay. Toss those aside. We don't need it anymore. We have expanded our place pretty well. I'm proud of the effort that we have put in. Oh, it's turning night. I gotta hurry up and water all this. Okay, we got it all watered. Let's go. Our garden is massive. And I'm not talking LTF. Because it's like what? It's like an in-game week for the board to reset. Yeah, somewhat. Look at all this. We got more tulips growing. I don't know why those haven't grown. Let's get a sickle real quick. Okay, no sickle in there. There we go. Okay. Gotta chop it out. Grab these, make a couple bucks. Or a couple hundred. Okay, this looks good. This looks pretty good. Because if you try and grab something and put it in your backpack, it flies across the map and then you'll never find it again. Okay, let's just sleep again. So, make our stocks skyrocket. That's all we need. And we'll be good. Hey, look at all this. It looks beautiful. It's beautiful. It's gorgeous. I'm not. But in this sense, I am. The only time I go socialize is when I need to buy more seeds for more product, for more profit. I've already slept for like, what, 3 days now? 2 days? We got 3 days left. Tulip should grow the next day. Yeah, it should. Cactus looking good. The whatever, however you say that word, are looking good too. Someone let me know in the comments on how to say that word. Headset's low. No. I'll be right back. Hang on. Okay, got a battery pack in. We're good. We should have like 2 more hours. I don't think I'm gonna be recording for that long, but sleeping and watering and sleeping and watering and losing my mind and talking to the plants and the trees and the birds and the bees. I do recommend this game if you're new to VR. It's a really chill, calm game. 21. 3. Oh my! Just one plant got us back in profit. That's insane. Okay, the watermelons I have high hopes for. Because you get like 300 for each one. And I bought like six of them. I wasn't going to go up a number. I would have had it spammed in the comments. Oh my. 7 grand. Let's try these cactus. If they were on the board. Okay, that's good, but it wasn't really good. Pineapples. Okay, that's decent. That's decent. Okay, what about these? The H word that I can't say. Yeah, I still make a bunch of money. No complaining here. We are at 9,500. Let's go and buy a bunch of like house. Okay, I just dropped my controller and almost hit myself with it. Okay, let's buy a bunch of like house stuff for our house. Like we have 9 grand. Let's go crazy. Can I see your wares? 5,000 for a chicken coop? Maybe I shouldn't do this yet. Yeah, a chicken coop is the only thing I can buy. House basement first. 35,000. Yeah, we're not rich. We're far from rich. Okay. Alright, well, when life gives you a $35,000 roadblock, you buy more seeds. And by seeds, I mean watermelon. Okay, there's no way I bought that much. Okay, I 60. It's investment because they sell for like 375 and you buy them for 200. We're not buying tomatoes. I'd rather die. Okay, we need to buy where is it? What sells good? Let's buy the sag. Yeah, I can't. Another type of cactus? No. Okay, we need the high end things. Just get a bunch of those. 13 of them. We're at 4,000. Onions, the pineapples. Let's try pumpkins. I feel like pumpkins might have. Let's get 10 of them. Wheat. Why not? 12 of them. How much are we at? 900? Yikes. Okay. Mint. Why not? We're at $125. Let's just buy 1 thing of garlic. Alright. Now we have the amount. Watermelon. Where's the watermelon? Here. Is that the way to go? Because right now it's tulips, but in 2 days it'd be tomatoes. Yeah, tomatoes. I almost just like ruined the word. Alright, I'm gonna have to make more area. Let's just excavate our whole garden here. Okay. Now that our garden is fully ready and my wrists feel like falling off, I can now plant the rest of our seeds. Hopefully. Used. Oh, never mind. Now our entire garden is used. We might have to somehow get more land. I don't know. I feel like that's our only option. Okay, everything should be watered and ready to go. Perfect. And since we got more time, let's go and check on the... We'll do the ranch next video. We're not going to do the ranch yet. Okay. On the video. Oh my. Okay. My game is lagging. Okay, we got everything watered it once again. Let's grab this, why not? Can I not grab it? There we go. Okay, going to sleep again. Water, sleep, water, sleep, water, sleep. Go insane, water, sleep, water, sleep. What is that? Did I just make a foundation for a house? Am I planting a house? What is that? Is that the... Is it... you know what? I'm not gonna question it. I'm just gonna water the stuff and go to sleep. And there's no way I can tell, because I don't know. We'll find out when it's done. The last time I need to sleep, hopefully. It's not. What is this? I don't know. I'm kind of scared. I feel like it's gonna retaliate when it's done growing. Oh, I didn't refill all this. Full plant diet. But I don't think that means only plants. I should make that into a website. Only plants, and it's just a bunch of vegans eating meat, eating vegetables. Is that a good marketing idea? Only plants? Let me know. Idea. Alright, this should be ready to sell now. What in the world? Do I need a sickle for this? I do. Oh, it's the wheat! I'm an actual idiot. That does not look like wheat. They could have made it kind of like how these are, but more of them. Not like a mushroom. That looks like a mushroom. That looks like I'm growing drugs. Like if the authorities were to come to my farm, they would immediately arrest me. Let's start with like what we have least of. So like the 2 pineapples, the 5 garlic, the 11 those. Okay, good. What? 53 mint leaves. 10 of those. Oh my. Okay. 16. Okay. 27. Oh my. 36 wheat. Okay, that's a little depressing. Oh my god. 50. Over 50 mint leaves, I only made 200. Yeah, never again. We're not buying mint anymore. Not buying mint. Okay. 14,000 in the bank. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and save, and we're gonna sleep. Without watering anything. Because that's responsible. Alright, so that's going to be the end for episode 2 of Harvest VR. Next episode, we'll do the barn with animals. We'll figure out how to do that. And maybe go on a couple more mining trips, some fishing trips. And talk to maybe local people and see what they're all about. So, yeah. That's been for me. I'll see you next time.
Do dirt where you rest, money, power, respect, all that water around my neck.